Wasn't so bad, was it? Everybody take your seats.
It was then that I knew that he was her forever. Watching her through the years mature into a dog mom and now a wife, it makes my heart so happy to see her with somebody that she's so in love with and who absolutely adores her. So Matt, thank you for being so amazing for her in every way.
Wow, babe. That is awesome. Looks good.
Hold it together, lady. Yeah. It took a long time.
Get a tissue.
Hi. Hi. Hi, honey. You look amazing.
Thank you.
Think about it. There must be a higher love down in the heart, hidden in the stars above. Without it, life is wasted time. Look inside your heart, I'll look inside mine. Things look so bad everywhere in this whole world. What's fair? Bring me a higher love. Bring me a higher love. Bring me a higher love. There's this higher love I've been thinking of. Was a time we're just hanging on, facing our fears and standing out there alone. Oh, we yearning. And
Yeah. That's so beautiful.
who's feeling for me?
Eager.
Do this. It's raining.
All right. Do you, Matt, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Davila, do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Okay, folks. By the authority invested in me by the state of California and the internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may now kiss your bride.
There's this higher love I've been thinking of.
You know when, you know
For the first time ever,
You hear that
Mr.
all
and
your
Mrs.
life.
Matthew and Davila
whoever
Brandini.
they are, turns out they were right. Sunshine, the good times, yeah, we got a few behind us. But when the bad times come, I ain't gonna run. It doesn't matter if it's diamonds or twine, I'll be wrapped around your finger. Girl, you got me till we run out of time. Rich or poor, rain or shine, the wind's gonna blow wherever it goes, and the road is gonna